Drug addiction, also called substance addiction, is a condition where a person feels a strong need to take a drug. Here, the person loses his control on his mind and finds it very difficult, even impossible, to sustain without taking the drug. In fact, the drug becomes more important than anything else. The General Assembly of the United Nations decided to observe 26th June as the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking since 1989. The prime motto of this day is to make the world free of drug abuse. Many people, communities, organizations, etc. participate in the celebration of this day globally to raise the awareness of drug addiction growing today. This year's theme of the day is Share Facts on Drugs Save Lives. This theme is really necessary so as to stop the spread of misinformation and promote sharing the scientifically proven facts on drugs. That includes the health risks and solutions to tackle the problem as well as the ways to prevent, treat and cure the addiction. This year COVID-19 has also put a boom on the public awareness for being healthy and protecting oneself as well as the others. According to the latest World Drug Report, about 30% increment has been seen in people taking drugs, while about 35 million people around the globe have been suffering serious disorders due to the uncontrolled use of drugs. So now the point arises how to prevent drug addiction. We can undoubtedly understand that early use of drugs increases a person's chances to becoming addicted. So preventing early use of drugs and alcohol is essential. Use of drugs and alcohol is often seen in emotional life problems like divorce, loss of job, parents' pressure for studies, loss of the one you love, and the most common cause, having the company of a person who is already an addict. Other factor may be the desire to try new things without proper knowledge and understanding and the choice of becoming more independent than actually necessary. This enhances the teen's tendencies to experiment drugs. Actually, such drugs disrupt the proper functioning of the brain. They try to control the brain which is yet not developed properly. Later knowledge even becomes too dangerous. Most of the people during their teens and early adults don't even know what they are actually doing to themselves until they realize it's too late. The brain gets completely ruled by the drug and it really becomes a challenge getting rid of it. Hence, prevention is the first and the most important thing that can be done. For the prevention, education is the prior. Today, the century is not about not talking to people. It's about teaching and freely speaking to every individual. Children should be given knowledge about the risk of these drugs from the early childhood. They should be taught in a way that even they feel comfortable speaking frankly. Giving priority to the views of children is very essential. We should not neglect or demoralize their thoughts. Also, putting a focus on the children's activity is important. Their friends and their doings should be put at sight. Children should be aware of their family rules, religion, culture and tradition. They should be taught to respect their elders and obey their rules. This is all about the children. More importantly, Parents should maintain a healthy relationship with each other. Self-conflicts and self-use of drugs should be avoided, and if not possible, they should make sure that the children don't get involved into their personal stress. Apart from preventing the use of drugs, addiction can be cured as well. But to help it, the addicted should at first be strong enough to make it possible. Drug addiction have a lot of health risk factors like the loss of mental abilities, liver hurt, and kidney failure, as well as death. It's always better to prevent it than to cure. This is really a big problem in today's world. Help me spread this information to stop drug addiction on World's Anti-Drug Day. Thank you.